Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you guys are catching us. Thanks for tuning in again. So today we'll be doing something a bit different, not so much of fishing, but I think it's still going to be fishing related. Recently we have gotten ourselves a boat and we have decided to upgrade our fish finder or echo sounder or some call it, and we decided to go for this Raymarine Element. Okay. It's a 7-inch and we just received it today, so we're going to do some unboxing. So let's see what we have in there. Okay, so of course with any products that you get, we will be getting the stickers, some menu on how to use it. Okay, and let's see what else we have. Simple directions on how to mount it, the monitor, the brackets, and of course how to link up the transducer to the and the power. Okay, this is a pretty simple one. And let's see what we have. Of course, we have the warranty, 2 to 3 years. Okay, and what is this? Let me see. Okay, I believe this is a template for our transducer. So we'll be putting this on the boat and we can do the markings. So more instructions. Another template. I believe this is for the monitor. It's like a cutout template for those who wants to mount it on their dashboard. So I don't think we'll be needing this. More menu. Let's see what else we have. Okay, some kind of cushion pad, and of course some screws, brackets. Okay, and let's see what is this. Okay, I think this is for the boat, where the wire is coming out from the transducer, so that we actually cover it so it doesn't get splashed by water or anything. What is this? Okay, these are the mountings for our monitor, which we will have a bracket, but I'm not sure what's the bracket. Let's put this aside. And of course, the star of the package, our Element 7. Okay, let's see, is this how we open this? Okay, 7-inch. And I believe they come in 7-inch, 9-inch and 11-inch. I've seen some review on it. Navigating this is pretty simple. It's just basically up, down, left, right, 1, 2, 3 and a home button. So let's put this aside. Okay, this is, I believe this is a power cable to supply power to the monitor. I think there's more things under this. Oh, I think we saw it. Okay. Yes, this is another important part for this thing to work. This is called a transducer. It's where you mount it into the boat and like this, and this will be the one that it will be scanning down the seabed for fishes and of course the terrain. And this particular model we have here has got a 3D image, and also not just the seabed, it has got sight and it comes with 3D. Okay, so the transducer cable, and this is the one that's going to the monitor. And of course, you have our bracket. this bracket instead of mounting it onto our dash, because basically our dash got not much space. So this will go on top, and the two knobs that you see earlier will be around to lock it in place. Your monitor will be in. So there's so much of it. Following, we'll be going down to our boat and we'll try to install this, and hopefully by all means, we are not professional in this. We're going to try to install this ourselves. Hopefully we don't need any help from anybody. So let's go. Okay, so basically this is the wire to our transducer. Okay, so we have track it. And there's a nice way here for us to pull through our transducer. So what I'll be doing is I'll be cutting away all these cable ties first. So basically this is the wire to the old transducer that is going all the way down into the hull. So what we are doing is we have tied a rope here, and I'll pull from the other side. So this rope will go through, and from the other side we'll tie the new one and we'll pull it back. Okay, so pulling. A bit stuck. You pull back a bit. Okay. A bit stuck. Okay, I use a bit of force. Okay, through already. Okay. Okay, we got the rope. Yeah. Okay. This is our old wire from the transom. So we're getting it out. We have coated this with some marine grade silicone. I drilled a pilot hole earlier and we did some marking. So right now we're going to put on the bracket.
Day 2.
Right, finally our boat is in the water. We're gonna do a first test run. Okay, there we go, we have it, our first screen. So I think this navigation is pretty easy using this arrow left, right, selecting, okay. So we can go to chart, fish finder, charge and dash, and of course jigging. Oh, anchor alarm, vessel has drifted beyond. Oh, I think this is a preset. Okay, once you acknowledge, okay. Split screen for trolling, and I think this one will be what we'll be using the most. So it has a chart plotter and the sound at the same time. Okay, let's just try fish finder. Okay, there we have it. Okay, we'll play a bit more and we'll come back again. We are trying out the 3D scanning now. Let's see whether it can scan anything. This is the down vision, so it's scanning downwards. And if you toggle it, you can see that you can choose between sonar, down vision, it's a 3D, and side view. So sonar, you'll be like this. This is a usual one that we are very used to. You can see that there's a bit of things underneath here. Okay, you can choose. This is the side view, very simple to move around. Arrow up, left, right, side view. Just go to OK. Okay, so we move down, left, right, scan, down vision, press OK. Okay, this is scanning direct down. And again, it's very easy to navigate, just the 4 arrows. OK. And this is a 3D scan. Normally we use this when we're still cruising, you can see that it's coming up. So it's scanning the terrain. And there's 2 buttons, plus minus, is basically zoom out and zoom in. So I would say the interface is pretty easy to use. Okay. So we can go back and go to our usual sonar.
Just too small, so we're gonna release it. Alright. Bye, buddy. Grow big.
Okay, so we're done with our first sea trial. Pretty happy with it. The interface is pretty easy to use, so yes, we are satisfied with it. So if you are interested in one, get your Raymarine.